Hello, Assalamualaikum, and welcome again to see and check. Okay, your answer for test 1, and this is the part 2. Thank you for bearing with me, and let's go, guys. And look at this question. This is the first question, question 1, chapter 3. In case you haven't noticed it yet, the question in your PSPM is actually according to the chapter, which is very nice. So you don't have to crack your brain to think, oh, from which chapter is this coming from? Question 1, of course, chapter 3, because chapter 1 and chapter 2 only accounted in your assignment. So let's take a look at this one. Figure 1 below shows an event that can result in genetic drift. If you see genetic drift, remember we only have two types of genetic drift. Which are, what is the first one? The first one is bottleneck. Bottleneck effect. And the second one is founder effect. Please remember, genetic drift is happen by chance. Okay, I keep saying this before. I hope you guys still remember it. It happened by chance. Okay, usually it is, okay, what happened here? It reduce or actually change the allele in a population. I just want to emphasize here, it doesn't have to reduce, it can increase as well. That's why I put here, it can also change the allele. That is more accurate way to say about genetic drift. And usually it's more obvious in a very small population. Because when it comes to probability, okay, probability, it has a bigger effect in a small population. Or when you only have like 2 options, that would make a very big effect. Okay, so that is why genetic drift is usually happen in a very small population. So let's take a look at this one, a very popular diagram. Original population, and then event A happen. It can be any natural disaster. Okay, usually natural disaster like earthquake or maybe volcanic eruption. And look at this. The surviving population is just this. Very small population. So name the type of genetic drift in event A. Of course, this is bottleneck. It's a bottle, guys. Bottleneck effect. 1 mark. B. How does event A lead to the formation of a new species? Why? What happened? So look at this. Sudden decrease, right? So you have to say here, sudden decrease in original population. Due to what? Due to natural disaster. You have to say this, natural disaster. You can specify it like earthquake if you want to, you still get marked. But you have to say it is because of natural disaster. It happened by chance, I've told you. No selection here, it happens by chance. That is the keyword. Okay. That is the first mark. The second one, remember, I tell you about the change in allele frequency. So put it here. Allele frequency differs from original population. Done. Okay. You can put as well, there are like a lot of options here. So I'm just going to put some of it. If you want to confirm your answer, you can just, PM tepi me. And the next one, you can say surviving population. Okay, surviving population may be overrepresented or represented, or just eliminated. So what does that mean? It may be, okay, maybe for this one, like the black one and the white one is almost the same number of frequency allele. So let's say this is the allele lah kan. But this one, oh, a lot of black allele now. But the white allele is just one. So now we can say the black one is overrepresented. But the white one is now underrepresented. Okay? So, 2 marks only. The C. State the mode of speciation that may occur in event A. Mode. So, mode of speciation, if you see the word of mode, there are only 2 types, sympatric and allopatric. So, what happened here? Do you see they are like suddenly a sea between them, becoming an island, no geographical barrier? So I don't think there is a geographical barrier here. So that means this is sympatric speciation. Then, okay, you only have to see if there is a geographic barrier. That's how you know whether it's sympatric or allopatric. Alright? So that one is 1 mark. And D, the last one. State another type of genetic drift and briefly describe the event that causes it. Remember, another type of genetic drift. Okay, we only have 2 types of genetic drift. I don't want you guys to put here like hybridization. No hybridization here. Okay, don't put like temporal isolation, habitat isolation. It's a big no-no. Because they're asking about another type of genetic drift. Look at here. So, we have to say founder effect. So, founder effect, remember the meaning of founder. Find a new place. So, briefly describe. So, you can just say, occurs when small population, okay, there must be small population, is isolated. Suddenly, they have to migrate to some other place, right? So, it's isolated from the original population. So, founder effect, usually they have to migrate, they have to move away from the original population. But, bottleneck effect, usually due to natural disaster. Alright, so I hope you guys can understand the difference by now. And for this question, 6 marks as well. Alright, so that's all for test 1. I'll be recording for test 2 later. And I hope it helps you. Alright, so don't give up. Keep doing a lot of past year questions. I believe you guys can do this. The A in biology is waiting for you. Alright, so take care. Thank you for listening until the end. And goodbye.